Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you enable dark mode in Medium app. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. For this you have to update your Medium app from Google Play Store and go your apps and click on three dot menu and click on setting, and here you see guys the option dark mode option in after the Twitter option. Click on that, and here I have three options, so on, off, and system default. System default mean what theme actually you are using your Android phone. If you using dark mode, then this will automatically bring you dark mode. If you use day mode, they automatically bring you the day mode. So I want to show you dark mode. Just click on that one option, and here you see guys, you can read the article actually in the dark mode, and this is very good update I guess. And I hope you guys find anything helpful from my video, and if you find anything helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.